Hello students, I am continuing with my audio presentation on speech writing. In my previous two audios, I discussed about the rules and guidelines and also the tips that you can follow while writing a speech. Now I will discuss some of the solved topics of speech writing. So I am moving on to one question. And the question goes like this. Swati attended a seminar where speakers narrated their experiences of adverse impact on modern gadgets on our daily life. She has also experienced how these gadgets fail when they needed most. She decides to enlighten her schoolmates on this helpless state by delivering a speech in the morning assembly on the topic, here I quote, "Modern gadgets have made us slaves to machines." Write her speech in 150 to 200 words. Now, before I go into the solution part and before I go on explaining to you all, the main theme of this speech is that you have to write against the negative aspects of science and technology or modern gadgets. Ultimately, we are becoming much more mechanized. We are giving more emphasis on machines and we are becoming less human. It seems that without modern gadgets, we are helpless. So the speech is related to that. So let's continue. A proper and a catchy heading is a must. I already told you. So here also I have given modern gadgets have made us slave to machines. Normally you will find that this heading part is already given in the question paper only within quotations. So from there you can easily jot it down. Now you can write name by Swati is written there, or else you can leave it in this way. Now how to start? Suppose this is in this morning assembly, or maybe it is a form of a speech that is given out in an auditorium. So let us start. How to start? Respected chairperson, honorable judges, member of the staff, and my dear friends. We can easily presume that probably Swati is giving this particular speech in front of many more people in an we can see in an auditorium. So respected chairperson, honorable judges, members of the staff, and my dear friends. Or else if it is a morning assembly, then obviously it will be respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. That way also you can start. Today I stand before you stoutly and wholeheartedly to speak on modern gadgets have made us slaves to machines. Look at the way it has started. We have become so dependent upon machines for everything that our life would come to a standstill without them. It is quite true. We have become so much dependent on machines. We are now totally blinded. We are so much dependent on machines. It seems that our life had come to a standstill. Science and technology have transformed the lifestyle of modern man. It has made us much more innovative, much more advanced, but it at the same time had taken out from our minds the delicate human emotions and sentiments. That part is also important. Science and technology have transformed the lifestyle of modern man. In fact, the modern civilization has become highly mechanized. The modern civilization, it has become highly mechanized. Right from the time we get up to the time we go to bed, we depend on one or the other modern scientific gadget. That means from dawn to dusk, or in other words, right from the start of our day. If you imagine it, right from the start of our day, try to think about it, we start using or applying modern gadgets until we go for sleep at night. Till that phase, we use modern machines or modern gadgets, scientific gadgets. How? Because see, a modern man uses fridge to store food and keep it cool. Fans, room coolers, and air conditioners keep him cool. All these are modern gadgets. Telephone increases the range of his voice. Telephone, mobile phone, whereas car multiplies the speed of his legs, and now he can fly even like a bird. Obviously, if he goes to a place and if he goes in a flight, then he can fly like a bird. All these are the all these are the benefits of modern gadgets, we can say. In his office too, he dictates letters on dictaphone. That is also a gift of science, which his secretary types on a typewriter. Another device of modern science. Now he can store informations in a computer. Mobile phones, televisions, and cable network have become quite common. Most of these gadgets are based on electricity, and most importantly, all these gadgets are based on electricity. Now think of a day when electricity fails. Suppose a day when electricity fails. Obviously there is inverter, but suppose electricity fails. All the activities of the morning are shelved or delayed. Suppose you are not getting a proper internet connection. Suppose the fan is not working. Suppose the AC is creating disturbance. All these activities will create a lot of problems related to your own work activities. And what happens? Your work schedule is delayed. There is no hot water for shaving or bathing. No tea or sandwich for breakfast. So, yes, if the toaster stops working, then how it will be? No computer, television, or AC or air conditioner can work without electricity. We need it. Inverter, how long? How long? It has a time limit. And after that, then there is big problem. We feel miserable. Another synonym of miserable, dear students, it is pitiable. We feel miserable because we have become so used to them. Now, a day without modern gadgets, if there is no electricity or power cut, then obviously the entire planning of the day gets ruined, isn't it? Why it gets ruined? Because we are so very much dependent on modern gadgets. The modern gadgets have helped the world to leap forward to a glittering civilization, but we can't deny the benefit or the benefits of modern gadgets, because it helped the world to move forward to a glittering civilization. They have provided tremendous power and unlimited knowledge to man. We have gathered unlimited knowledge. Now, because of internet, at the click of the button of the mouse, we can get information within a fraction of a second regarding anything that we want. In fact, the modern gadgets have revolutionized every phase of man's life. Every phase means every stage of man's life. It has made its usage to an extent that now without it is indispensable to us. It is very much indispensable to us. So that is the reason it has revolutionized every phase of man's life. Man has become so dependent upon them that it is impossible to conceive of modern man's life without these gadgets. It is impossible. We can't think of running our life or spending our life in the modern 21st century without gadgets. Hence, we can safely conclude that modern gadgets have made us slaves to machines. So finally we can say, yes, we are less independent now, but we are more dependent on modern gadgets. And yes, it is absolutely true that modern gadgets made us slaves to machine. Now we are so much dependent that if there is a failure a given day, a power cut example has been mentioned in this solution part of the speech writing. So if there is a power cut or there is there is no electricity, then obviously it will be huge problem for us. And finally you will conclude the entire speech by saying thank you. So this is one example. Modern gadgets have made us slaves to machines. In my next audio, I will discuss another question related with speech writing. Dear students, this is a very important topic, science related topic. So I hope you have listened to the explanation part. Go through it once and clarify your doubts if any. Thank you, students.